Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. So yes, I have added the some functionality which is on this one. So this is our main file where we are going to take the inputs in, and here you can see a custom menu which is showing sync database. So once you can click this, once as soon as you will click this, what this will do, this will go to the main database which is the backup file. Let me delete this, and I'll go there and I'll click this. What this will do, this will take all the data from the main database, which is the second database, which is secure database, and it will take all the data from that and paste it here. So for example, if someone gets unintentionally clicks second time, so what this will do, this won't matter, because it will always keep the same data. If there is a duplicate in it, regarding the DD selection, it will always delete it, because this is our main reference. So the same DD selection cannot be repeated second time. Okay, so having said that, how you can activate it, this was your question. So let me show you. I've made a copy of the same file, and here I'm going to run this script. So what this will do, this will ask me for the first time authorization, because I have just made a copy of it, though I am the owner of this file, and this is the running file with me, but I've just made a fresh copy of it. So every time I'm going to run, or anyone is going to run the script for the first time, it's going to ask for the authorizations. And this is a simple standard operating procedure from Google. So you need to click on your email address and choose the advanced, go to the left bottom option, and then click allow. This will be only for this particular sheet. Okay, once this is done, you can refresh the file, and you will see a custom menu right up here. Though you will see in your case, you will see the menu right away, because I have already ran it, and you will see it. Once you will try to run it, it will ask you for the authorization, which I have just showed you how to authorize it. So here now you will see the custom menu as well. So this is the one option of taking the updating the database. And yes, but I have added another thing. Let me delete this file, because this is of no use for me. Okay, so I have added this thing, that this sync database is going to automatically activate every time you are going to open this file. So what this will basically means that whatever the data is present in the actual database, the main database, the backup database, the data will get pasted in here, and if there is any duplicate in it, those will be removed. Now I have only one concern, that I want you to test this system to get the input database and submit few data, and let me know if that works for you. What I wanted to see is that the code is working fine, and it's pasting the data right away, right in here and on the database file both. So this is my concern. So if you find anything like the data is not getting updated in here but only in here, then please let me know. So I have already a backup code planned, already in place as well, so I'll activate that. But before that, I wanted to check that it's not giving you any problem. So what I'm trying to say here is that, let me repeat the process again. So I have added this sync database. Once you will try to activate it, it will ask you for the authorization, which you will have to apply. Anyone who's using the buttons for the first time, he has to authorize. Okay, second thing is that I want you to test it and run it for few inputs, and make sure that both the database on this one and on the second database, both are getting updated. If not, then please let me know, so that I can modify the code accordingly. So yeah, please, thank you so much. uh, do spend few seconds to leave feedback on your completion page. That will be great help. Thank you.